Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to put image into a shape in Canva. After starting Canva, we can go to this button to create a new design. Click it, and then we can choose the template. For example, we can choose the Instagram post in square shape. I click it, and then a square post template is created. Next, we can go to Elements and go to Frame. And then go to Frames, we can click CO. Next, we can check that there are many shapes of frame we can choose. For example, I pick heart shape, click it, and then we can see that the heart shape frame is added. Next, we can adjust the size, and we can adjust the size something like this. And also, we can rotate and move it. Next, we can go to File folder. And I have an image downloaded from freepik.com. We can find the download link in this video description. Now I drag and drop into a Canva, and then drag and drop into the frame. So the image is put into a shape. Next, we can double click and we can edit. For example, we can scale it and we can rotate or we can move it. If we are happy with this, we can press enter to apply it. Next, we can go to the toolbar. We can have the border, click it, and we can choose solid border or others. And then we can adjust the size of border. And also we can change the color of border, and we can pick red or other colors, or we can choose gradient color, something like this. So this is how we can put image into a shape in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.